So here is my vacuum powered engine. If you don't know how this works, you put the vacuum here, the vacuum hose right here, and when I take this off, oops, this completely came off. Hold on a second. If you see here, you'll see there's two holes on the piston, and when the piston turns, those holes are actually the valves. So it sucks through, and it's sucking the piston down, and now it's changing it out, and now it's sucking here, and that actually goes back and forth. Now mine, it's very smooth on its running, and I have a little secret. What I did when I had the cylinder out, I actually took a drop of cooking oil and put it in each hole, and then did a little that, and ta-da! Here we are. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to have this wheel on it, right here, and then I'm going to take this wheel off, and it actually runs without the wheel. And you see what the wheel does, it allows the engine to get through a place, what I call a dead zone. See, right here is a dead zone, where no power is being put to the piston, so it can be sitting like that, and the vacuum's still sucking, but won't work. So what this does is when it's shifting to the next thing, there's momentum by the wheel gets it through that dead zone. But when this goes so fast, is that when the momentum from the crankshaft is enough to pull it through that dead zone. It's actually really cool. And then I'm going to put this tire on, and then another one, and then if I can, I'll put this one on. And that will actually give it more torque instead of speed. The smaller tires are for speed because it's easier for it to move the weight of the tire. But when it's bigger, it has to move more weight, so it's more for torque. So here, let me do it with this small tire, get it running, and I'll do it without the tire, and so on and so forth. That has never happened before, so if you just give me a second, I'll fix it. Just take that off. You got the thing. It's never done this before. Maybe it's camera shy. Oh, the whole piston fell out. Don't break this time. I am serious, it has never done this before. It's kind of amazing. Alright, so now, I'm going to put this one on. I say that's probably it for this engine, at least for this video. I'd have to put it all back together. But as you can see, it goes very fast. I might have sucked up a piece. I don't know. I'll check it out on the video before I open up the vacuum. But that's yeah, that's about it. Alrighty. Thank you for watching.